Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Actually, recently I made a purchase for Coco and Milo. As you can see, there is a gate behind me. I have recently purchased this gate. It's a baby gate, but I'm using it for them, and it has been really helpful in training them. My two babies, Coco and this one Milo, you've met both of them. You have seen a lot of their reels. Milo, you want to say hello? You want to say hello? No? Huh? Okay, so basically, my main reason of getting this gate was because of Milo. Coco is almost toilet trained, but Milo has this habit of marking in places, especially near the leg of the sofa. I was searching a lot on different websites and Amazon's also, on Amazon also I was getting different options. But when I was going through the reviews, a lot of them had mixed reviews. Some of them were saying that dogs can easily push them, and they were not successful after the customers bought them. But this particular one, which is by Kid Dough, I'll share the link also. Kid Dough, I ordered it on Amazon. I bought it for 4,300. Initially, I was thinking it's quite a lot to invest in such a thing, when both these babies are almost grown up, and it happens, like peeing incident happens once in a while. So, is it really worth investing in this gate? But yes, now I'm very happy. Since the time I bought it, now they know that this is the area which they are not allowed to cross, and I have set their boundaries, and in a limited boundary I can monitor Milo's. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. So I can monitor Milo's this little naughty baby's movement, and it's been what? It's been a month now, and it has also helped me to control this habit of marking places in the house and being in different areas. Dining area is the only area which I need to monitor now. Since then, it has been quite a transition in his habit, and that makes both of us happy, right? So if you feel that you're also facing the same issues, your dog also has habit of marking and आप उसे control नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो आप भी you can also try getting this from Amazon, and I'm sure आपको बहुत help होगी उससे. And I have high hopes that slowly I'll get rid of this problem completely in the house, as I have lesser area to monitor now. So this is the first time I'm sharing this video with you guys, because I thought that this might be a concern to many pet parents. I hope I've been able to help you, but don't even think twice before getting this gate if you're worried about the durability and installation. Installation is also very convenient, and it is highly durable and looks also nice in the house, so it will not spoil the aesthetics of the house. So that's it from my. If I see something nice related to, like, if I get to read anywhere, and if I get to know from someone anything nice about handling your pets or taking care of them or engaging them or their hygiene, I'll definitely share with you guys. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day from Coco and Milo too. Bye.